Hey guys, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube, and today I just want to talk to you quickly about a product coming out called ManimationKit. So if this is something that you're interested in, if you do any kind of animations, if you have your own software or just need additional elements for your animating process, this is something you really want to consider. So what I'll do is I will put some links under this video, some additional resource links also you might be interested in. That you can check out, but you'll be able to see some demos of all these characters and different elements that you get. You'll be able to see how to use this with Camtasia Studio and other tools that you might use to do your animations with. But what ManimationKit is it's a really nice collection of different characters, icons, elements, maps, flags, different things you can use to throw into your videos and combine all these together to make really nice animated videos. And so you don't have to have a special animation tool to use this. These are GIF and MOV files, so basically you're just going to download what you need and you're going to drop and drag it into the tool that you already use to add those elements to it. So just to give you an idea, what I'm going to do is play a couple of these for you so you can see what these animations are. So we play this first one. You're going to see here, and some of these even have some audio with them too, but you can see here that everything's already done. The animations are there. So basically what you're going to do is just take these and you're going to drag them into your software that you use, and when you hit play they're going to animate. So there's no additional work that you have to do. It's already done for you, other than you just adding the extra content to it, or mixing and matching.
Yes, I can speak, and my mouth is following the voiceover.
Or just adding some extra images and icons to it. For example, here's some for cities that you can choose. You can see even all these are animated and they look very cool. Now everything in here is at 2K resolution, so you're going to be able to add these and create some really nice HD videos that you can use for yourself or to sell to your clients. There's backgrounds. The backgrounds are very subtle, which is what you want. You don't want something that's too distracting and the background's taken away from what the actual video is about. And there's some transitions, animated hands, demo video showing you how to use it with different tools. And what I want to do is show you what the prices are going to be for this and the upsells. So with ManimationKit, a personal license is $19. You can use it for yourself. If you upgrade and get the commercial license for $29, you can use it to create your videos and animations for your clients. And there's going to be two one-time offers. The first one is going to be a Motion Ads Template Club, which is going to give you additional templates, additional animations every single month. So if you do animations for a living, if you do it as a side job to generate income, this is something that you may really want to consider doing, because every month you're going to get new animations which are going to be different from everybody else who's out there creating using the same animations. These are going to be new ones added every month. And then there's also a VidCraft Bootcamp, which is going to show you how to use your animations to create some amazing videos. So it's basically a video creation boot camp. So this is ManimationKit. If you currently do animations right now, this is just a great resource you can use to add to it to create even better animations, more unique animations. If it's not something you currently do but you're looking to get into, if you already have Camtasia or video editing software, this might be a great place to start to get your hands onto it, to find out if it's something you really want to do, because it's very inexpensive and it gives you enough animations to get started with, to try it out, to see how easy it is to work with, and maybe even to try selling to some clients or doing some gigs on Fiverr, Legit, or some other places like that where you can make some additional money from. So great product. That's ManimationKit. You can find a link for it under this video. It'll take you and show you the bonuses you can get, the demos, and like I said, I'll put some other resource links under there also that you may be interested in. So this has been ManimationKit, Chris with Affiliate Tube. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe, all that fun stuff, so you can get notified of these other video reviews and tutorials that I do. Thanks.